Good morning to all the dignitaries and participants of the one-day international webcast on the topic entitled Discovering New Strategies for Combating the Imperative Global Economic Slowdown. At the outset, the inauguration program is followed with the welcome by our Principal and Special Officer of Rani Chennamma University, Professor M. Jayappa sir, and about the program by Dean of Mount Carmel College, Dr. S. Ramesh sir, and it is followed by inaugural address by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor M. Ramachandra Gowda sir, and later it is followed with the keynote address by Dr. Thompson Henderson, and it is continued with the plenary session 1 by Suresh Raghavendra and plenary session 2 by Sushma Singh. At the end, it is going to be concluded with the valedictory function. At the outset, the hosting of this international webcast is just developing a link between COVID-19 pandemic and the strategies to develop for coming out of this pandemic for the economic development activities. So, at this juncture, I request our principal sir and Special Officer to Rani Chennamma University, Professor M. Jayappa sir, to welcome the dignitaries and participants for this program. Sir, please sir.
Thank you sir. Good morning one and all. Respected Vice Chancellor of Rani Chennamma University, Professor M. Ramachandra Gowda, Registrar Bossaraj Padmashali sir, and Registrar Evaluation S. M. Urkadli, and our Finance Officer D. N. Patil sir, and our conveners Professor B. N. Navi and Dr. S. Ramesh, and co-conveners Nadaf, Renuka, and Ashwini, Nazia. So, and participating friends and special technical persons Rachaya and Rajput, and also the supported by Anil Ramdurg. So, this one day webcast on discovering new strategies for combating the imperative global economic slowdown is jointly organized by PG Department of Commerce, Rani Chennamma University's Sangoli Rayana First Grade Constituent College, Belagavi, and PG Department of Management, Mount Carmel College, Autonomous, Bangalore. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused huge disruptions in the global economy. To combat these disruptions, the Finance Minister of India has announced an economic relief package of rupees 20 lakh crore as a breakthrough to revive the Indian economy. Similarly, many countries of the world have discovered new strategies to bring back the economy on track. The international webcast aims at creating a link between implementations of outbreak COVID-19 on the global economic slowdown and strategies developed by the various countries to combat the global crisis in the form of economic packages to revive the economy. So, it is my great privilege to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Ramachandra Gowda, for this program, and we request him to address the inaugural address will be given by our Vice Chancellor. So, on behalf of Rani Chennamma University, on behalf of everyone, I welcome you sir, and also I welcome our keynote speaker, Mr. Thomas Anderson. So, just say a few words about our Thomas Anderson. So, he is a well-known mind specialist from the International Mind Education Institute, South Korea. He is associated with IYF English Camp, Cambodia, IYF Global Camp in Thailand, Mind Education Lecture Camp in Vietnam, Youth and Parent Teacher Mind Training in USA. He has trained many students and also employees of companies as well as army units. Sir, on behalf of Rani Chennamma University, on behalf of participants, on behalf of everyone, I welcome you sir for our program. And also I welcome speaker of the first plenary session, Professor Suresh Raghavendra. So, just a few words about our Suresh Raghavendra. So, Suresh Raghavendra is a renowned corporate trainer and HR and law professional with more than 25 years of industry experience. He is associated with many leading private universities, law schools and B schools at Bangalore. He had the opportunity to give guest lectures at Oxford University London and Queen Margaret University, Scotland. Such a person accepted our invitation for give the plenary session resource person for the first plenary session. Sir, on behalf of our Rani Chennamma University, on behalf of Sangoli Rayana First Grade College, on behalf of everyone, I welcome you, sir. So, and I extend my welcome to speaker of second plenary session, Dr. Suma M. Singh. So, just I say a few words about our Suma Singh. Suma Singh presently working as a Dean of Humanities and Associate Professor, Department of Economics, Mount Carmel College, Bangalore. She has published many research articles in national and international reputed journals and presented papers on the economic issues. She has undertaken UGC minor research projects and served as a IQAC coordinator, BOE and BOS member in other activities. She is also involved in other university activities and Mount Carmel activities. So, madam, on behalf of our Rani Chennamma University, on behalf of everyone, I welcome you for this session, madam. Thank you, madam. And I extend a warm welcome to Professor Basuraj Padmashali, Registered, and Professor S.M. Urkadli, Registrar Evaluation, and Professor D.N. Patil, Finance Officer. All three pillars given, supported and guided in conducting this program. Sir, on behalf of our Rani Chennamma University, on behalf of participants, on behalf of Sangoli Rayana First Grade College, I heartily welcome to you for this program, sir. And also I welcome these two program conveners, especially Professor B.S. Navi. B.S. Navi is HOD of Commerce Department, PG Department of Commerce, Sangoli Rayana First Grade College, so the Rani Chennamma University, and one more convener, Dr. S. Ramesh, Dean, Dean Management of Mount Carmel College, Autonomous College, Bangalore. So both are take a initiation and conduct this program in a successful manner. So on behalf of everyone, I welcome you, sir, for this program. And also at the same way, so our co-conveners, they are worked hard and get a good registrations, more than 300 cross the registration with the help of our co-conveners Ashwini Jamuni, Yasmin Begum Nadaf, Najia Patwegar, and Renuka Mando and Anil Ramdurg. All these people, they encouraged and they are also take a lot of risk, go for the announce the brochures immediately, they can send to their friends, their groups, and ultimately we reach more than 300 registrations. So madam, so I welcome on behalf of Rani Chennamma University, on behalf of everyone, I welcome all our co-conveners, and also I welcome Rachaya, Santosh Rajput, and Shilpa Osmane for their technical support. So last but not the least, I welcome all the participants, teaching and non-teaching staff and media persons for these inaugural functions of the international webcast. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much.
Sir, thank you very much for your welcome address, and you have introduced all our resource persons in a beautiful way, where they are going to present their views in the different session. Sir, thank you so much. Next, I request Dr. S. Ramesh sir, Dean, PG Department of Management, Mount Carmel College, Autonomous, Bangalore, for giving an overview of the international webcast on the theme of discovering new strategies for combating the imperative global economic slowdown. Sir, please, sir.
Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Esteemed Vice Chancellor of the Rani Chennamma University, Professor Ramchandra Gowda, esteemed Principal of our college, Reverend Dr. Sister Arpana, and my good friend Dr. M. Jayappa, Special Officer, Rani Chennamma University, learned colleagues and friends. We have meeting on the web today in order to understand the global economic slowdown and how this slowdown is going to impact the global economies. Today, uncertainty, ambiguity, and chaos are the order of the day, and economies all over the globe are shrinking, where 90% of the countries will have a GDP of less than 2%, and also decline in the employment rate to close to 40%. There is a reduction of income to a very greater extent, and there is a heavy burden on the unexpected expenditure, especially on the healthcare sector of different countries. In order to understand the complexity of this problem, the PG Department of Commerce, Sangoli Rayana First Grade Constituent College, Rani Chennamma University, and PG Department of Management Studies, Mount Carmel College, have come together in order to bring this international webcast to you. Theme of this webcast being Discovering New Strategies for Combating the Imperative Global Economic Slowdown. The objective that we intend achieving through this webcast is what are the implications of especially the COVID-19 on the global economic slowdown, and what are the measures that are required and the strategies that the different countries have tried and tested, and also the policy measures required for the sooner recovery of the situation and also the economic stability of different countries. In order to deliver the inaugural address, we have Professor M. Ramchandra Gowda, the esteemed Vice Chancellor of the Rani Chennamma University, and followed by the keynote speaker, Professor Thomas Henderson, who will be touching upon the various issues connected with global economic slowdown. Followed by the keynote address, we also have two plenary sessions. The first session is going to be addressed by Professor Suresh Raghavendra, who will be touching upon innovations in rethinking and redesigning business strategies which will work towards combating the global slowdown. The second plenary session will be addressed by Dr. Suma Singh, who is the Dean of Arts, Mount Carmel College, who will be touching upon the emerging trends in the post-COVID era and also the policy responses. At the end of the day, we also have Professor Basuraj Padmashali delivering the valedictory address. I am sure the deliberations of this webcast is going to be very, very fruitful and useful to policymakers. I request all the participants to take great care and in expressing their views, which will be on consolidation, will be sent to the policymakers for further action. I take this great opportunity to thank Professor Ramchandra Gowda, who is the esteemed Vice Chancellor of Rani Chennamma University, for collaborating with us, and also my good friend Professor M. Jayappa for coordinating the efforts. I thank one and all for this, at least patient hearing. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Sir, thank you so much for your brief about the program. You have introduced the program to the audience as well as the participants in a well manner. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor M. Ramachandra Gowda, sir. I request, sir, to give your inaugural address. Sir, please, sir.
Respected Sister Arpana, Principal of Mount Carmel College, our friend and guide philosopher Dr. S. Ramesh, Dean of PG Studies, Mount Carmel College, Dr. Jayappa, Principal, Sangoli Rayana College, my colleague Dr. Padmashali, Registrar, Rani Chennamma University, and all faculty members of Rani Chennamma University, my dear participants, and teaching and non-teaching staff of Rani Chennamma University. Rani Chennamma University, the association with Mount Carmel College Peace Department, organizing a webinar on the topic economic slowdown and its impact on economy, industry, etc. It's actually a good topic for the present situation, where the GDP of almost all the entire world has actually affected, and in some cases it has come down to 2%, some cases it has come down even lesser than that. Okay, the employment sector is affected. You must have seen how the employees are moving from one state to another state, the migrant workers, etc. So almost all the factories are closed or even slow down. So even all the sectors, education, health, even markets, and even the government also not getting any revenue, and it is facing a lot of problems even to pay the salaries also. So therefore, almost because of this COVID-19, almost all the sectors actually affected. So therefore, this is the right time to find out some solutions to overcome this pandemic this thing. So actually we academicians, economists should find out how to overcome this situation. If the same, because the expert says that if the same situation continues for another 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, so what will be the impact of this COVID-19 on almost, for example, now we are 3 months over, almost 3 months, February, March, April, May, June, okay, 3 months over. Now within 3 months we are actually having the impact on almost all sector, because government is not able to pay the salaries, private sector they terminated the employees, there is no goods in the market. Okay, so farmers are actually committing suicides because there is no market for their produce. So that means almost all the sector is affected. So suppose if you assume that it continues, because the expert says that we have to live with corona. If it continues for another 1 year or 6 months, what will be the impact? So therefore, whether the government will pay salaries, suppose if no salary, how the government employees will survive. Now the private sector, that means most affected sector is private sector, because the government, even the government has restricted that you are not supposed to terminate the employees, you have to pay salaries, etc. So but they are unable to pay because no production, no sales, no profit. So how can they pay salaries? So this is the actual situation. Okay. Then what will be the position of agriculture sector? The agriculture sector is actually the worst affected sector. So extreme steps actually the farmers are taking, and now the government now since actually 8th June, so government freed all sectors with some riders. So citizens of our country are thinking that the COVID-19 the scare is already over, and now they're actually going with free this thing. So therefore, but expert says that within August or September, so the COVID-19 will reach the peak. Okay, so that means almost all 50% of the population will be affected by this COVID-19. So in such juncture, so please imagine the scenario of our country, and if the government is not getting any revenue, how to manage this country. So please find out the impact of COVID-19 on all these sectors and show some light on how to overcome this pandemic problem. So post COVID-19 scenario, etc. So majority of the universities are actually working on this direction only. I hope this webinar also will be of great help to government and almost all the sectors to find out some solutions to overcome this pandemic problem. Okay. So that means many countries are claiming that they are finding out some medicines for this. So we economists should find out medicine for reviving the economy. How to revive the post pandemic this problem or COVID-19 problem, and how to revive the market, how exactly we should behave in the post scenario. So all those things, that means please find out, please, because our organizers have selected very good resource persons, and they are going to deliver very good lectures. Please make use of all the lectures and try to find out some solutions to overcome this problem. I wish all the best. So I thank the organizers for giving the opportunity to inaugurate this webinar. So I wish this webinar will be of great help, and also not only for the government, even for the participants also. Okay, so thank you very much, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Sir, thank you so much for your very elaborative inaugural address on the main theme of the webcast. The thoughts and ideas which you have given are going to highlight the requisitions of all the economists and academicians who are going to take care in the economic development of various nations. Sir, thank you very much. Good morning to one and all. I take this privilege to propose vote of thanks on this international webcast. First of all, I thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor M. Ramachandra Gowda Sir, for assisting us, for guiding us and providing all the facilities in organizing this international webcast. Sir, on behalf of Sangoli Rayanna First Grade College, on behalf of PG Department of Commerce, Sangoli Rayanna College, and all the conveners and co-conveners, and on behalf of our principal sir, I thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you so much, sir. At the same time, I extend my thanks to the keynote speaker, Dr. Thomas Henderson. Actually, sir has given a insight of this topic, and he has given a good amount of strategies how we can combat the pandemic COVID-19 and we can recover with the existing situations. And the strategies which he has guided are definitely going to support all the economists and academicians and even industrialists to come out of the pressure and do the things for the welfare of the nation. Sir, thank you very much from Rani Chennamma University, Sangoli Rayanna First Grade Constituent College, on behalf of our principal, on behalf of our all the conveners and co-conveners, for sparing your valuable time and ideas with us. Sir, thank you so much. I also thank our principal sir for motivating us, for guiding us, and who is the man behind for organizing this international webcast. In all the way, he has guided us for organizing this webcast, and he has supported in completing this specific task. Sir, on behalf of the PG Department of Commerce and on behalf of all the faculties, I thank you so much for your guidance and support. And I also thank the registrar of our university, Professor Basavaraj Padmashali sir, who is always supporting us, who is motivating us for organizing these kind of webcasts, webinars and seminars, because the academicians are going to be benefited, the students are going to be benefited. So with your support, it is possible for us to organize this kind of webcast. Sir, on behalf of Sangoli Rayanna First Grade Constituent College, on behalf of PG Department of Commerce and all our principal and conveners and co-conveners, I thank you from our bottom of hearts. Sir, thank you so much. I also thank the Registrar Evaluation, Professor S.M. Hurkadli sir, because who is always guides us, who is always take care in organizing these kind of functions. Sir, on behalf of Sangoli Rayanna First Grade College and PG Department of Commerce, I thank you wholeheartedly for your kind support. Sir, thank you so much. It is very important and if I didn't thank our finance officer, Professor D.N. Patil sir, because to organize these kind of functions, always the accounting and other aspects are very important, and all the time our finance officer is helping us in doing all these kind of activities. Sir, on behalf of Sangoli Rayanna First Grade Constituent College and PG Department of Commerce and all principal and conveners, co-conveners, we togetherly thank you for your support and guidance. Thank you so much, sir. I should not forget my convener, the assistant convener or supporting convener, Dr. S. Ramesh sir, because he has supported all the time. He has given the clue for organizing the webcast on this particular theme. Sir, for your wonderful theme and the observations which you have thrown in this particular introductory talk, for giving us a wonderful topic, we should thank you from our college and PG Department of Commerce and from all the organizing committee. Sir, thank you so much. And I should thank my co-conveners, Ashwini ma'am, Yasmin ma'am, Renuka ma'am and Nazia ma'am, because without their support it is going to be impossible to organize this kind of international webcast. So with their kind support, it has become possible to hold this kind of webcast. Thank you to all of you from the PG Department of Commerce and on behalf of our principal sir. Thank you so much. And I should thank all the participants, because if participants are not supporting us or they are not registering, then these kind of programs are going to be incomplete. With your support, with your registration only, it becomes possible for us to hold the international webcast. Thank you. Last but not the least, I thank wholeheartedly to our technical team. Without their support, it is impossible to hold this kind of international webcast. So I take this opportunity to thank the technical expert Sri Rachaya sir and Santosh Rajput sir and Silpa Hasmani and Anil Ramdurg for their support, and in all the way they have helped us in completing this specific task. Thank you on behalf of Sangoli Rayanna First Grade Constituent College and on behalf of PG Department of Commerce. Thank you one and all.